Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone's well and that you had a pleasant weekend. We are on the last Monday of August already, the 25th. Next Monday, Labor Day, and the start of September, kind of the unofficial end of summer. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Troth Realtors, right here in Lancaster, California, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update, where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. So I like to point out every week, Phil, it's important that local residents have a trusted local resource to go to follow along with our market. Often our statistics get lumped in with Greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, and our market definitely reacts and changes uniquely to itself. Also like to point out our statistics are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So where are we as we start the final full week of August? I think there's some good news happening just not in our market, but for the real estate industry as a whole. And that is last week, the head of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, in his statement, did indicate that perhaps the Fed in their September meeting may look at starting to ease up on interest rates. And that is already having an effect on mortgage rates. And I think that that was basically represented in some pretty decent activity at open houses and on existing listings over the weekend. So we will keep our fingers crossed that perhaps some of the clouds hanging over the real estate market are starting to part, and that there's sunny blue skies as we head into fall. So as we start this final week, where is our local market? And we still haven't crested that 1,200 active listings. We're actually down from 1196 last week to 1194. So we're basically holding pretty firm under the 1,200, which is good. Some good news on the next number. Our pendings, those properties in escrow under contract, did bounce up above 400, up 4.1% to 405 from 389 last week. So we'll keep the fingers crossed and good thoughts that that is a positive trend as more buyers start to perhaps get off the fence with the news about interest rate and into the market. The week of August 18th through yesterday, August 24th, 109 new listings came on the market. That's up 2.8% from the week prior when 106 new listings came on the market. And that this is a good sign, I believe. Last week, our median sales price was 472.5. This week, the median sales price of those new listings up 10% to 520. I think that that doesn't represent that our prices increased, but I think what it represents is that owners of your more expensive houses that would pull that median list price up, starting to feel some confidence in the market and bringing those homes onto the market. So once again, I think our first four numbers as we go through are some good news as we wrap up August. New properties at escrow down from 84 last week to 79. Still a good representation, a good increase, even though it was 6% down. Median number of days, those 79 properties were on the market. 34, that's down from 38 last week. Another good number here is number of listings that closed escrow through our local MLS last week, up 14.6% from 48. So another good upward trend, second week in a row. And then once again, following the median list price of the listings, median list price of the solds up 16.4% to 515. So always good on a Monday morning when we can bring good news to the Antelope Valley market update. It's been a pretty long summer for those of us in the real estate business, and for some sellers that homes have been sitting on the market with very little activity. It'll be nice to once that rate cut, hopefully in September, is official. Might make some news to get some more buyers off the fence. So with that, we're going to call it a wrap with the August 25th market update. But as always, if there's any other statistic, market information that myself or any of our trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors can provide you, by all means, please do not hesitate to reach out. Where we have been proudly serving the Antelope Valley since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week. Have a happy and safe Labor Day weekend. And we will chat with you next Tuesday. We will get this recorded on Tuesday. All right, everybody, talk to you soon.